Big up Crosses TV.
The boy can't say over here so messy or mad. Over here so nice and clean Crosses TV. I wanted them.
So did the girl just go on social media call up my name now?
For no reason.
For no reason.
Right now, she proposed them boy there and said she wanted it back.
I'm gonna skip that part there.
Accounts of shoplifting. Yeah?
Fair on.
Yep.
So who put that up?
Somebody sent it to me, my love, and it reached the media.
Them things are going?
Yeah. And you hide the key, you hide the Range Rover key in your underpants.
Yeah, did I hide the intro keep my boxes, yeah?
Yeah. Yep. Wicked girl. I mean, I know, you must have some man them from East London come up on Instagram and say, in them that know, you pick up that girl there.
So I never know the research like that, though. Never shall she look me, you know. That's how ridiculous it is. And I thought, yeah, I was trying out of mind, and I was trying out of the way, because like, in the ends like that, but she do her thing and then come back in and see. So I thought, yeah, calm, you're not going to dance for them thing like that. So, you know, I just thought, yeah, calm.
And that them say she go like she quiet, but she bad like gunman. That them say.
I mean, I call you, know, for to tell you, for to call.
Me? I never blood clot caller. Me? Bro, a big thing for media. Like, everybody's so confused. This girl is saying I'm jealous of her relationship, and I'm jealous. Jealous of what? When I'm the mediator and in you lot's relationship. Tell the truth. How much time I call him, I tell her, say, bruv, low certain things.
Yeah, low certain things. Ignore her.
Don't it? I bear that, I tell you.
Don't you, she's bipolar, man. Come on, Maria, she's bipolar, man.
Wicked girl. Stay far. If I were you, I would have run off your blood clot sentence and just so it go and just do your thing. Eh? Yeah, but if you get that, you know you. She put up videos of you lot like kissing. You lot must in some must go sauna and in the pool and kiss up. She put up videos when you feed her. She put up video when you suck her neck. She put up beer type of video when you in her house and the push. It's all over mix up page. This is what I'm trying to say to you. This is what this girl is doing to you. Exactly. She on big Ginger British page, bruv. This is what this girl is doing. I'm so confused. You know what time I got my bed last night? Then at 3 o'clock. I'm so confused. You know I'm in a whole different relationship. Me and you sit down and chat. You understand? You respect that. And you was in a relationship with her, and I respect that. We never step out of line. Nothing like that ever yet. You get me? And this girl, all of a sudden, but she jump up my jealous her.
You know what's here now? Nobody not dead and fear like me, you dead and fear.
And that's somebody tell me today. Somebody say, you was the one that was pulling the weight.
That's she realized.
I talk to my man every day. My man is
Hold on, guys. Hold on. Guys, we never come here for stay long at all. But at the end of the day, I have the whole of the recordings. And for artwork, I'm talking about cause I saw my stay, my plain and straight. But me do it because me know say the girl is a liar. I'm telling her she the only company media for paint a picture because she shame. Yeah. But just prove my point. I'm a done now. I'm done. When I hear everything, and I'm done now. I'm done. Me have one more, but I'm not going to play them because certain conversation was said in there and it's not really for the media. But remember, she said she talk to him every day. And the ear when him say, him don't talk to her none at all because him just start get couple more numbers. The recording is there. I need to tell a lie. I not deal with fiction. I deal with facts. So you see me? I make people run off their mouth and I just drop my blood clot receipt. So since she said she talk to him every day, make sure that she can come back now and show us that she talk to him every day. And this on the ear. Me have only more I can play. Yeah? But in and out, there's things that I can't really play. You understand? I make on the ear because it's confidential. Yeah? Yeah? So, make sure you do our best right now. When I have in the earphone herself. I'm not chatting to a girl. I'm in my next relationship. Whether you don't want to say this or want to say that, him the over there say with she. On the ear when him say, I was always the one that encouraged him, and she was always the one that's always calling my phone. I never yet pick up my phone and call her. Ever. Yeah? Okay. Good night. God bless. Merry Christmas. And a Happy New Year. Love all. I'm not eating on my heart for nobody. I support all heap of people. I dead for all heap of people. Me's a nice girl. If you trouble me, I got trouble you back. You understand? If you not trouble me, I not trouble you. You understand me? I keep to myself and me and my children them. I not trouble people. I not care about her next girl lifestyle. And my lifestyle is different from my next girl lifestyle. 7 brothers, 7 different mind. And everybody are going to be the same. So I'm in a competition with a girl. I'm glad on the earphone herself. I don't tell lies. And I don't need to tell no lie. You understand me? Good night. And Happy New Year, guys. I have to attend to my baby because my kids them come first, not man. Bye-bye.